Well, good morning, everybody. It's morning of day 4 for us in Ontario. They changed the weather forecast. It's supposed to be total rain today, and now it is supposed to be just cloudy. So we got lucky today. We're heading bass fishing, me and Colt, another morning, and we are exhausted because we've been fishing for 4 days straight. But we're happy and we're gonna have some fun. We're throwing the worms again. Let's go catch some bass. Nice. Oh, this looks like a great spot for the frog. I think I'm switching up to the frog for a bit. There's a perch. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna switch up to the frog, I think, for a few casts here. Try to get one on the top water. Running this guy, I'm not even sure what brand he is or whatever, but it's a good one. Hit some of these lily pad areas out here. Try this side. Go right over top of these lily pads. Oh, got him. Oh, I had him. He hit me good. You see that? The topwater frog. Yeah, he swiped at me good. Missed that one. See if he'll come back. Oh, I felt him too. It was awesome. It was a pretty cool explosion right on top of these lily pads. Try it again because there's a bass there. See if I can come right over top of him again.
That one.
Take it easy with him. Colton's on with a bass. First bass of the morning. Looks like a boat flipper, maybe. Nice small one. There's one for the morning. On that same worm again. He's got my shirt on this morning. He didn't realize how cold it was out here until we got out here. His life jacket's underneath it. Cool. Fish number 1 of the morning. Nice. Nice fish, buddy. Bass number 1 of the morning. Cool. Back to the worm, guys. Back to the yum. Oh, he's got one right here off the boat.
I saw it.
Bass number 2. Look at that one. Nice, buddy. About the same size almost as the other one.
Yeah, it is.
Cool. Fish number 2 of the morning. Nice little largemouth. We're getting a lot of smaller ones like this, like a 10-inch size or so, 10 to 12. Yeah, that worm is working awesome, isn't it? Nice one.
Yep. Look at all these bluegills. Oh, ow.
We're hitting all these coves, guys. These coves, little lily pad coves over here, just like awesome. The steam's still coming off from the morning. lily pad. And that's why you use braid. Definitely want the braid, so when you get caught up in these, you can pull it out. Perfect. Is this a fish? Are you kidding me? It's swimming sideways. I think I have something. Oh my, he snapped me right off.
It was a fish? What was it? Oh.
I think it was a pike. I just got snapped clean off with my worm, guys. I'm pretty sure it was a pike right here. I saw him flip.
Remember?
Yeah, there's some pike in here for sure. They'll take this and just be gone. So that was a good hook I had too. Okay, time to tie. Okay. Nice, Colt.
Caught a pike.
Colton caught a little pike. Nice little pike. He kept seeing him coming in this channel. His life jacket's on underneath this. It's all puffy. He got cold. Nice little one. Looks like he got hit by something.
Yeah.
But would you catch him on the little the bass worm, right?
Yeah. Where's the worm? He
Cool. I think it's inside his mouth. There's the hook right there.
Yeah.
Where it came off. But anyway, cool.
Yep.
Scooped him up. We got him. Nice little pike, buddy. He's actually not bad sized.
Yeah.
Cool. Got a pike. Yeah, the worm is gone.
Probably inhaled it.
Yeah, I think he knocked it right off the thing when he hit it.
Yeah,
We're actually driving the boat.
It ran.
Crazy. Cool. Nice pike, buddy. We're bass fishing, but we'll take pike too. Nice. All right, I'll take him for you. He's got some nasty teeth. You okay?
Yeah, it didn't get me.
Yeah, it's the gills. There's no teeth in the gills. Just the teeth in the mouth right there.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, I'll throw him in here, okay?
Oh, really?
Yeah, why not? Why not? He's like a 20 incher. Yeah, we'll keep him. All right, we're back to fishing after Colton's pike. We're gonna try to catch bass that we were after to begin with. Oh, there's a bass. Got him. Are you serious right now? Get him? Okay.
Yeah, I need that.
Colton's on him with one right away. You got him?
I did not realize.
Okay. Well, it's nice that you
really
can.
Big.
You got the good hook or something on that pole.
He slammed it.
He just put this worm on. Yeah, he just put this worm on. It's like an orange and brown, like pumpkin color. Cool.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. He's a smaller one, so
He is.
see you later, buddy. Right on that weed edge, right there. Oh, there's like no wind over here. This is nice. Oh, there's one.
One got one.
Oh, I got him on, but he's small, I think. Yeah, it's just holding on to it. It's not even hooked. What do we got? Oh no, maybe he is. Holy crap, I got a bass, Colton.
Get him in.
Watch, he's gonna jump right now and spit it.
Get him in. Get him in.
Oh, my worm. Get in here, fish. Can you get it?
No.
Where is it? Is it?
Right there.
I got it. I got my worm back.
That's a nice bass.
I got a bass finally. I got a Canadian bass, guys. It's been all the last 2 mornings bass fishing, watching my kid catch bass like crazy. There's one, I'll take it. Little guy. See you, buddy.
Oh my
He's
God.
got him.
That-
I got you. Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
do not get that.
He's another 12 incher, it looks like. Okay, good. Nice one, buddy. That was a nice. Oh, he popped off already. Man, we're on fire with like these 12 to 14 inch size bass. Oh, I'm on too, buddy. Oh, mine popped off. Of course it did. I had a bass. went to get my pole. Let me see him.
Oh, look at that belly. He's pretty nice.
It's not a bad one. Nice one.
Put him down this way. Oh.
Goodbye.
He looks kind of big underwater.
Yep. Nice one. Got him. There's a bass. Look at that. As soon as I switch that hook up. Got the motor off here. No, he's not going to because I put that new hook on. That's all I had to do. Let's put a new hook on. Oh, come on. Nice little one. Another little bass. I had to switch my hook up because the hooks here just were not sharp enough. But I got a nice new hook. That's a nice one. 12-incher. Ate my tail. Ate my tail right off. The whole big tail gone. I got the big net here. Colton's got a big bass. Nice and easy. Oh, it's a good one, buddy. Hope he doesn't pop out here. Nice. Woo! There's a nice one.
What do you think about that one?
Slightly bigger. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a nice keeper. Yeah. You want to keep a couple? That's a good one.
No, stop, buddy. Buddy, it's okay.
No, he's down here.
It's
Get him, hurry up. No, we haven't going on the live well.
Oh, okay.
That's as long as they're like that size. Yeah. Throw them in.
Oh.
It's a really good chance that we can get one in here. Okay guys, we are trolling. We got them bass fishing and we're in this little tiny shoot off where there's like a deep hole that we're bass fishing in, and we're gonna try to troll this. We got a couple stick baits out, see if we can get a pike. Beautiful Canadian wilderness. Look at this guy's deer walking right here on the edge as we're trolling. A pretty doe walking right down the side here. We got 2 rods out. We're trolling this deep hole back in here, trying to get a pike, and there's a nice doe right here about 40-50 yards away from us. She's just eating. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
Hi girl.
She doesn't care.
No, she don't care at all.
Canada, like,
hi girl, how are you? Hi girl. Oh, she's
Oh.
coming closer.
She's like, I'm gonna hop in. Oh, right.
Oh, get it. Grab it. Oh, he's a fish. Fish on. Hold it. Get that net for you.
Oh, it's a pike?
I don't know what we got. We're just trolling and we got a fish on. I think it might be a bass, but it's a good one.
Yep.
We're hoping for some pike, but that's a nice bass. We'll take it.
Ooh,
Cool.
yes, we will.
And then we'll stick bait. Oh, buddy.
Thing bent.
Yeah, that thing smashed it.
I think it's pretty big.
Nice.
Yeah, it is. Looks like it.
All right, I don't know if we got that on video because my GoPro battery was almost dead, but we were trolling 2 lines here, trying to get a pike in this pond. And we got a nice bass on the stick bait. We had 2 of these out. trying to get a pike. So it's a nice big bass, not bad sized at all. Get these hooks out of them. Nice, not a bad bass. Nice largy. And we're gonna probably keep that one. That's gonna be our limit for the day. Only 2 bass, and every other one goes back. So that's a nice little eater right there. Nice size one. Cool. Nice job, buddy. 2 bass and 1 northern so far in the box. Okay, we're back to trolling again. Make another pass in here and see if we can get one. We want pike, but we'll take bass too, obviously. Especially decent sized bass. Just for fun. It's always fun reeling something, man. Right off these weed edges, guys. Right off these lily pads where the bass can come out, but the pike are in here too. Just like that one Colton already caught.